I got to ask this question. Is there a way to search in Gmail or Google Workspace for email messages that have nothing in them? I thought there wasn't, but there is. But before I show you how to do this, hit the subscribe and notify button because I create all of these videos for you. This is actually pretty cool. I didn't think we could do that. I can compare and search in mail, click on the filters, look for size that's less than, go to kilobytes right here and put a 1 there. Now I'll try to put a 0.5, that wouldn't do a 0.5, but I put a 1 and I'm gonna hit search. Look at these. All of these are basically simply unsubscribes. This message was, it just has the word, this message was generated by Gmail. I can't get to 0. I got 1K there. What happens? I put 0.5K. See what that does. No messages. I may not have any messages that small, but I can absolutely put a 1 there, less than 1K. And these are all the messages. So I can't get to 0, but man, I get pretty close to what you're looking for. Just do a filter, do size, less than, put 1 KB, and do a search. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail dude. Hope that's helpful.